ASUS ROG Hero 3 G731GW Gaming Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I am blown away by this laptop. The upgrades are amazing. It has an Intel NVMe .2 solid-state drive and the secondary storage hard drive is a Seagate HDD. The RAM is DDR4 2666 by SO Hynix. The NVIDIA RTX 2070 has 8GB GDDR6 memory. The CPU is Intel i7-8750H at 14nm running at 2.2 GHz with a boost of somewhere around 4.1 GHz. This wonderful built machine has all the lights and programmable features ROG laptops are known for. Thankfully they cleared the heat exhaust vents from the screen so that they are open to expel heat freely. This was a problem with my older ASUS. It came with an out-of-the-box Windows 10 1803 operating system. If you want to use the dark theme on Windows Explorer you'll need to do an update to 1809. I use this computer for work and for gaming. I like the form factor. It's light and somehow a smaller footprint than my older ASUS ROG. The keyboard is very good. Once you turn the color white or red or off, the trackpad is nice and quick too. Perhaps I'm old, mid-40s, but I don't need an illuminated light on the back cover or base of the machine. That didn't affect my decision to buy because you can just turn it off, same with the boot sound. Seems like a waste of energy though. And it can get you odd looks and meetings. Great port selection though, great speed in Witcher 3, all the while Visual Studio is running. I highly recommend this for anyone that likes the convenience of a powerful gaming computer combined with work necessities. Battery life could be better though. Great product. Small hiccup with shipping, but was handled really well. This thing is a behemoth though. Performs extremely well and consistently and stably. Whatever you're trying to throw at it, this thing has your back. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.